Hello everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thank you so much for joining me today for another video tutorial. I wanted to do a little 8x8 sampler for 4th of July. This way you can make it now and have it ready. And I wanted to use the Hey Sports Fan Designer Series paper because this is great. It's got red, white, blue, it's got stars, it's got stripes. It is the perfect designer paper for 4th of July. It also has some coordinating resin star embellishments. These are self-adhesive, so you don't have to glue anything. And then also has this fan baker's twine, which comes in Evening Evergreen, Night of Navy, and Poppy Parade. So these three, you can just glance at them. Forget the sports stuff for now, but just glance at them, and they make a perfect 4th of July collection. Okay, so the stamp sets we're going to use, we don't have our alphabet dies anymore, but we do have this new alphabet stamp set and coordinating punch. Isn't that cute? It just makes the cutest little letters. I am loving this. I'm also, and I looked, we don't have a 4th of July stamp set or a patriotic, so I had to look through and come up with some different things. So I found this one. It says breaking news, and we're going to use the little cake with this, looks like sparklers coming out of it. And then this one that says you're both worth celebrating forever. We're going to do something a little different with that one. And then I thought this one was fun. I really like this set. Sunny Splash. Just the bathing suits make me think of summer. So we're just doing a little quick mini sampler. So out of the designer series paper, I took this one. It's like a navy blue wood grain. It has all the tickets on the back, but I'm going to use this as my background. And then I've cut 3 pieces of Poppy Parade. I've cut a big one and 2 small ones. We're going to do our sampler like this. Okay, then I've cut this piece, and it's the back of the banners, but it's the little baseball stitching, paper. Looks like stitches. Okay, and we're going to adhere this one down. And I will post measurements on my blog. Oh, I gotta switch that over just a little bit more before I press it down. Always do it lightly until you're sure you get it where you want it, because sometimes it's a little bit harder. Okay, I'm gonna put these fun stars right here. And we've got some stripes. And I cut these so that there were just 2 red stripes because it's being surrounded by the poppies, so we don't have to worry about the top and the bottom too much. Okay, I did do a little pre-cutting. So from the swimsuit set, I did a little striped one with red or poppy, and then the blue polka dot one with the Night of Navy. Aren't those cute? And then I stamped the cake with the sparklers, and I cut it out. It's a little bit of fussy cutting, but I did cut between the sparklers so you can see they're separated. But I wanted to get this cut out as easily as I could. So I cut that out and I stamped it in Night of Navy, but I'm going to take my dark Poppy Parade and we're gonna color our cake with red and blue stripes. Well, let's make the top red. Okay, and then I'm going to take my light Night of Navy blends marker, the light one, and do these stripes. Okay, get over here on this side. All right, then we need to color in our cake, and we're going to use, I set an alarm for myself to go do something, so it's gonna have to wait. All right, so I did a little So Saffron there, and then I'm just gonna kind of color the center of my sparklers with the So Saffron. And then we're gonna take Wink of Stella and just do a little sparkle on our sparklers. Because it's 4th of July, need a little bit of sparkle. All right, so that will go over here. And then I've stamped out my sentiment. You're both worth celebrating forever, but I don't want all those words. So I am just going to cut off the top. And I feel like the USA is worth celebrating forever. So this is just kind of a fun separating our words here. We're celebrating, and let's cut the ends off of this. Forever. All right, so we kind of got that, we kind of got this. Now for this one, I'm using the alphabet set. I just want to show you how this works and give you a couple tips. So let's move this over. I have some Very Vanilla, and I'm going to stamp my outline. This is the open one. You just stamp it like that. Now you have to be careful if you press too hard on either the stamp or the ink pad or the stamp, you're going to get a big blob. So you have to use a very gentle touch. It doesn't take much. It's very light taps and then a light press. And that's all you have to do. Super easy. Then we have the letters. So the letters are all individual. And I'm doing my word happy with the open. And it's really easy to line them up. Okay, now I didn't want to have to do all these because I did spell that Happy 4th of July. And I did July 4th. Or I did Happy July 4th. I did July and the word 4th with the striped little background. So we're gonna see how this looks. Do I have all my, I feel like that's not all the letters. I need another P. Where's, hold on a second. Still looking for letters. July, Happy, and then we're looking for the number 4. Okay. Well, of course, I had it. And then it went missing. Okay, let's do a quick 4. So we'll pull our stamps back out. We're gonna do this one in the poppy. I actually had 4th with a 4th. Hold on, I found some more. Here's some more. Okay, here we go. I found them. They were like trying to get off my desk. They were all the way on the other side. Okay, we're safe. All right, let's do some assembling of our pieces. And then we will put this all together. Okay, dimensionals. So I'm going to pop up my little swimsuit pieces. I just think it is so cute. All right, now we have our resin stars. Let's pull these out. Use some of these as we go. I like to tie the yellow in, so we're gonna take, I think we'll take a big yellow one. We're gonna put it like right on the waist of that, and then we're going to take a small blue star and just kind of put it right up at the top of that swimsuit. Cute! Okay, let's do this one next. All right, first thing I want to do is take some of this Fan Baker's twine. This is the Poppy Parade. You could also do the Night of Navy if we wanted to too, but I like the stripes. Okay. Let's cut off the extra. Scooch that down just a little bit, maybe between that row of stars. Then we're going to pop up our cake. Put this down kind of at the bottom because we need to do our words. I think they're still big enough to put mini dimensionals on. They're getting pretty small though. Let's see. Make sure this don't show through. Okay. So we're gonna do "We're Celebrating Forever." Sounds like somebody's doing yard work outside. I don't know who. Could be John, I just don't know. He came in and he said, "We should do something every night in every room." I said, "Are you sure about that? That sounds awfully ambitious." He goes, "Yeah." I'm like, "Okay, I'll remind you, you said that next time I want something done." Okay, let's pop up a couple blue stars. Let's do like a big one down there and maybe a small one up here. Do we want another one? Sure, let's put another little one right there. Cute. Okay, now this one, gonna take just a little bit longer. We've got a few more. I'm going to use though, I think we'll just use a big dimensional. I have to figure out which drawer I put my dimensionals in. Okay, so HAPPY. So there's one P right in the center. So I try, if my words aren't going from one end or the other and they're centered, I try to pick out the center point. And I just eyeball it. I just pick out the center point and then I work my way out. H, A, or A. All right, I'm gonna spell backwards here. There's the H, H-A-P. There's our other P. They don't have to be perfect either. This is just kind of fun. Fun and not too serious. Okay, now with this one, we're gonna spell out July 4th. This is gonna be longer. Let's see how long this is gonna be. July 4th, TH. Okay, we can come in. How to stop my alarm while I'm videotaping. So hopefully we can get done before it goes off again. It's on snooze. What's that, 5 or 7 minutes? I don't know. Okay, we're gonna try right here. We'll do a couple and then we'll do a couple at the other end. Now you could, you know, if you wanted to get real particular, you could measure this out, but that's like too much measuring for me. I like to go fast. Okay, measuring is definitely more accurate, but it's not faster. Okay. That's the right way on the L. Make sure it's not upside down. And we'll get our Y. And the number 4. Okay, it sounds like they have a whole crew out there doing work. Okay, so let's put a couple stars on. I'm gonna do a big red one. Let's do a big yellow. Let's do a little blue. And we'll do a big blue over here. We'll do a big red and a little yellow. And just mix it up. Cute. Okay, let's put this all together and see how it looks. Okay, so we can do, I think I'm gonna do my wood grain up and down. I've got 2 pieces of 1 1/8 inch wide cardstock. So see if I can use this to make get my corners straight. All right, some seal adhesive. Put this down lightly just in case it's not gonna work out. Okay, just gonna set it down light. Ooh, that already looks cute. Okay, let's do this next corner. We're gonna do the "We're Celebrating Forever." I don't know that I put that on very straight, but let's redo our corner here. Just set that on lightly. And then we'll do this corner. So in theory, we should be able to just set that right there. I press it down a little bit. All right. And just a hair. Okay, let's pull this up and make sure that looks straight. Fairly straight. Okay, we'll give it a press and call it a day. And that's it. Isn't that cute? Be a fun little happy 4th of July. Oh, I see we have people on. You know, I was supposed to be taping this to show on Monday. I see I went live. I don't know what happened. So you guys that watch this now are lucky to be watching this. For everybody else, it's going to post Monday. All right. So I will see you then. Measurements and supplies are listed on my blog. The link is below. And yeah, this paper is not carried over into the new catalog. It's discontinued at the end of the month. So if you want to pick up the stars, the paper, or the twine, I suggest you do that as soon as possible because they're only available while supplies last. So there's a link to shop online posted below, and please use the host code. Thanks everybody, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.